It's weirdly satisfying, but changing a toilet handle to a push-button model feels like turning 1994 into 2044 with a screwdriver. It's one of those low-effort, high-impact upgrades you can do in under 30 minutes, even if you've never fixed a thing. Most old toilet handles stick, rattle, or corrode into this weird green metal crust situation that feels like ancient plumbing archaeology. A push button, on the other hand, sits sleek on top like Steve Jobs designed it. Bonus, it eliminates one more moving part trying to betray you. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Turn off the water. There's a knob under or behind the tank. Turn it clockwise until it won't turn anymore. You'll hear the water stop flowing. Then flush to empty the tank before you even think about sticking your hand in there. Remove the lid and carefully set it on a towel or yoga mat or whatever you won't break. Now look inside that lever handle. It's just attached by a simple nut to the flush arm. You can twist it off counterclockwise, but pro tip, sometimes it's reverse threaded. Once the nut's off, unclip the chain that connects the arm to the flapper. Slide the old handle and arm through the hole. Don't get emotionally attached. This thing was probably leaking water for years and costing you $5 a month in city water that literally went nowhere. Now grab your push-button kit. These come with a top-mounted button, a cable, and a cylinder flush assembly. You're not just replacing a handle, you're recentering how the toilet flushes. It's kind of poetic if you think about it too long, which you shouldn't. Install the button first. Push it through the top hole in the tank. Most lids already have this space. Or you can use a ceramic drill bit if you're feeling brave. Screw it into place with the provided nut. It needs to feel snug, but don't over-tighten. This isn't aviation. Now connect the button cable to the new flush valve cylinder. These basically use the same mechanics as your old setup, just translated into modern engineering. Place the flush assembly inside, aligning it with your overflow pipe, then twist and lock it at the base. Clip the cable into place and make sure the valve moves freely when you push the button. If it feels spongy or stiff, reset it. Most problems come from rushed installs or bad angles. Don't force it into position. You're not rescuing a cat from a rain gutter. Before you put the lid back, turn the water on and let the tank fill. Hit the button. If that thing flushes like a boss, you've just gone from medieval-level plumbing to space-age design in $15 in 20 minutes. Celebrate accordingly. The best part is how much it just works. No jammed handles, no ghost flushes, just a clean click and a good solid whoosh. And if you live in a city like Portland where utility bills whisper, "You're not off grid yet," this thing saves water and mental sanity. Final pro tip, avoid the $6 knockoffs on Amazon with 1.9 stars and phrases like "may fit most toilets." Get one from a real brand, Fluidmaster or Geberit. You don't replace this again for another decade if you do it right. You've entered elite toilet status. Respect.